Okay, this is how to make the sloping and the stair at once in SketchUp. First of all, we can make the rotate rectangle in here and click from this position and drag to the another side with any size like 1500 millimeter and move to the behind type 400 millimeter, for example. And I will show you about the dimension in here. Okay, this is 1540 millimeters for 400 millimeters. Then we can click the push and push it up, type 150 and double click, right click and make component and then create, then select a move, type control. Okay, then now we can duplicate the stair in here one by one in here. Okay, then now we can make the sloping in here. Okay, we can use the line in here and just place to the position and just place to the position and make this one, make the triangle in here until we get the surface in here, and click the surface and push it to the another side just like this. Okay, and okay, maybe we can make it smaller. It's around 1.1 meter, a little bit in here, and triple click and make group. Then now we can select move, tap control and just place to the position, and now we can just make this one. Okay, then now we can select the landscape. We can select the landscape area in here on the position, and now we can assign about the concrete materials in here, but we have to explode, click and texture and rotate this one to make sure that it was not slippery. Okay, we can explode. Okay, we have to make sure that that was not slippery, and then now we can make the platform in here on the position in here. Okay, we can make group. Okay, sorry, we can assign about the grass materials on this position in here. Okay, just like this, and then we can assign about the concrete materials in here. Okay, select this, and okay, now we can move it into the appropriate place. Okay, and now we can activate about the shadow. Okay, thank you for watching.